Over the last 4 or 5 years, there's been kind of a food revolution, and people are more interested in what they eat. And more specifically, they're interested in how those animals were raised and how those plants or crops were raised. The College of Agricultural Sciences has 2 degrees with many concentrations. And so typically when we go into ag sciences, students are going to pick a discipline. And normally that's focused around ag business or ag economics and animal science or pre-veterinary medicine, equine science, ag education, or if you're not sure really what you want to do, you can be a general agriculture. We have a nutrition and dietetics and a food science program. Our other degree at the undergraduate level is called Natural Resource Conservation Management, talking about our wildlife, our environment, the soil, the land, the water that we live with and live within, and learning all about those things. One of the things that all of the faculty members in the College of Agriculture really excited about is giving students opportunities to have an experience.
I can remember one of the best things about the very first semester is your classes, you're actually hands-on and in the lab. You know, you hear a lot of schools, you got to wait later in semesters to get in the lab, but like here, your very first semester, you're getting dirty, and every week you're at the farm, you're doing something hands-on, rain or shine, it doesn't matter, you're hands-on and you're learning, and you're taking what you're being taught in the classroom and be able to apply it and actually learn and get something out of it.
Most of our classes are fairly small, 15 to 20 students per class. And you get to know them on a first-name basis. You'll see them in multiple classes. And then, of course, a lot of them end up going to master's programs and things.
Yeah, so our goal is to make sure that our students are first choice in agricultural sciences for people that are looking to hire for careers. And so our students have that experience. They've gone out, they've done it. So that's something that sets them apart. The employers, they really like this, that our students can step right in and that bridge that gap from the college to the career.